The infamous 25 lakh settlement demand mentioned in the news was actually your family's idea.
I have spent a lot on this person. One actor you would never want to work again, and why?
So you never wanted to work with him
Never,
again?
never. Don't even want to meet him anywhere.
Okay.
पूरे सेट पे तमाशा कर दिया था और मेरे को-एक्टर को धमकी दी थी.
Have you ever kissed on the set with the co-actor?
Accidentally, yes. दे दिया इसमें मैंने मसाला.
Of all the accusations that went public, which one genuinely hurt you the most on a personal level?
All of them.
Breakup हुआ ही क्यों?
His insecurity is one.
Okay.
Misbehavior. Like the whole disrespect.
Did you play a woman card in your relationship? Never.
I was the man of the house technically.
किस एक्टर को फालतू में पब्लिसिटी मिलती है?
Urfi.
One of the weirdest thing any director or co-star has done on set with you, which you never liked it.
There was this director who abused me in front of like 150 people. I was so horrible.
Honestly, why not? In association with Prestige. Honestly, why not के आज के एपिसोड में एक ऐसी अदाकारा आज की गेस्ट है जो ऑनेस्ट भी हो सकती है या पतली गली लेके निकल भी सकती है. ऐसी अदाकारा जिसने कलीरे से लेके जादू है जिन का और अपोलिना जैसे शो किया है. आप तो जानते ही होंगे बिना नाम लिए, जिसने अभी इतनी सी उम्र में शादी की कंट्रोवर्सी भी खड़ी कर दी. Let's see what is in her bag for tonight, only with Honestly Why Not by MNL, Aditi Sharma. Hello. How are you?
Very good. How are you?
I'm good, and you're on Spotlight of Honestly Why Not. Welcome.
Thank you.
Okay, so Aditi, this round is called as Unmask It,
Okay.
where you're gonna unmask yourself by telling whether the statements of mine,
Okay.
it's true or false. It's simple.
All right.
So here is your first question. You were offered a chance to be on a reality show right after Ye Jadoo Hai Jinka, but turned down because you felt your life was dramatic enough already.
Yes, that's true. A lot of reality shows, and especially the big one, but I didn't go there because I was like, I can't do that. Even this year,
Yeah?
I didn't go.
But why you can't do it?
Because I feel I am not that much of drama. I'm a very simple, chill kind of person, and I realized that you have to actually show a lot of things who you are not to be more entertaining, and I don't want to
You're
put a
not
fake
prepared
personality for that.
Okay. You had a serious argument with co-star over a major creative difference, and the disagreement was so intense you refused to shoot a scene with them the next day.
No, that's false.
That's false?
That's false. I didn't.
Nothing had happened till now?
No,
in any
no.
show?
No, touch wood, I had great co-actors. Like, all of them were amazing. I'm so grateful.
Okay. You have searched for best reply to troll comment online and actually used the suggested line on a hater.
No, I don't care about haters. So why would I even say anything to them? Like,
Okay.
करते रहो, तुम्हारे दिमाग में negativity चल रही है. I am not responsible for that, and I don't have to put myself or stoop so
Okay.
low for that.
Okay. During the stunts on Khatron Ke Khiladi 14, you genuinely thought to yourself, I should have stuck to Saas Bahu drama. At least those scripts were predictable.
Yes and no, like true and false both, because I always wanted to do Khatro. Like, it was one of my favorite reality show, and I was like, ये तो करना है, ये तो करना है. But when I went there, I really felt कि okay,
Saas Bahu is better.
Saas Bahu is good. At least 12 घंटे shoot करके आप घर जा रहे हो. But this was crazy.
And you thought that जादू है जिनके टाइप में मैं जादू छोड़ दूंगी तो सीधा हो जाएगा.
वो जादू है जिनका was so much fun. I mean, adventure, पूरा harness लगाना, कूदना, all of that was so much fun. I love shooting fiction.
Okay.
But जब reality में बिच्छू आपके मुंह पे काट रहे होते हैं, when snakes are wrapped around your neck.
पर बिच्छू ने रियल में काटे थे
रियल में काटा था.
और
उनका
सांप रियल में जहर है.
सांप में मतलब आई थिंक कि उनमें पॉइजन तो नहीं होता होगा, बट वो काटेंगे तो दर्द तो होगा. इट्स लाइक वो ब्रीड ही ऐसी लेके आते हैं जो पॉइजनस ना हो. सो दे जैसे ही जब स्कॉर्पियंस ने भी काटा, उसके बाद मुझे तुरंत एंटीडोट्स एंड सब दिए थे, लाइक राइट आफ्टर.
Okay. The reason you pushed a secret wedding was not a career choice, but a fear that the relationship would not last.
False. It was actually because of my career.
Okay.
And it was like, honestly, it was just because I was persuaded in a way. So I was like, all right, but I love my career. I want to do better. It was a mutual choice.
Okay.
So I thought, okay.
The infamous 25 lakh settlement demand mentioned in the news was actually your family's idea, and you personally tried to convince them to drop it.
No, it was not. Absolutely false. I have never asked for money. And I am really blessed. I feel that I am so grateful that मेरा यहाँ पे कोई माँ बाप नहीं है. I don't have anyone in Mumbai, but I've been able to build something for myself,
Of
for
course,
my
yeah.
family. So I never, and 25 lakhs, honestly, we know
Of
that
course.
it's not a big amount
Yes.
for the kind of work we have done.
Yeah.
For a lot of people it is, but for me, I wouldn't have asked.
Yeah, 25 you wouldn't. Yeah.
And whatever was asked was very for the things that I have spent a lot on this person. Like I have given 3 super bikes and whatnot. So I just wanted a little reimbursement for the things which were a lot for me too. And that's it. And that's it. I don't think I was unreasonable anywhere. So yeah.
Okay. Is it true or false you were advised by a team member to say your recent marriage was a mock trial to save your on-screen image?
I never said that. So I don't know. The person who said that was also getting a lot of what should I call it? जैसे-
Backlash?
More like when आपको लगता है कि कोई आपका अच्छा दोस्त है और वो आपके कान भरता रहता है काइंड ऑफ, तो उसको लगता है वो उसको हाइप करके कुछ पा लेगा. सो इट वाज द अदर पर्सन जिसके दिमाग में ये सब चीज़ें भरी गई. मेरी तरफ से कभी ये कमेंट भी नहीं आया और ना ही कभी मैंने ऐसा कहा.
Okay. This was a round for Unmasked by Honestly Why Not.
I think I
So-
deserve a round of applause.
Yeah, you deserve a round of applause. And after this, we are gonna go for the next round that's
Okay.
called Sip and Spill.
All right,
So let's go.
let's go.
So, welcome to Sip or Spill
All right.
by Honestly Why Not by me. So, here you need to pick up your questions.
Okay.
If you don't feel to answer, you try your best. Both the ways you have a disaster. If you don't answer, then your taste buds are gone by these juices.
Yeah.
So if you answer, tomorrow basically you're in the headlines. So either ways, अच्छा और खराब तो होने वाला है, आपको डिसाइड करना है क्या करना है. ठीक है, तो लेट्स स्टार्ट. पिक अप वन.
Is there an option to skip?
No.
One actor you would never want to work again, and why? Shit. Who do I never want to work with? Shit,
You can tell. That's okay.
There was this guy, Manraj,
Okay.
and he was just he came for a while, but it was awful to work with him.
Okay. So you never wanted to work with him
Never,
again.
never. Don't even want to meet him anywhere.
Okay. Next.
Next, बच गई यार. Okay. The most scandalous thing you have done on set.
Yeah.
Scandalous. I think मैं बस उसका पार्ट थी. मतलब मेरी गलती नहीं थी उसमें.
हाँ, कौन सा?
But I was a part of it. मेरे सेट पे आके किसी ने तो बहुत कलेश किए थे. बहुत जोर जोर से चिल्लाया था. And my ex, तो पूरे सेट पे तमाशा कर दिया था. और मेरे को एक्टर को धमकी दी थी, गुंडों की, मुझे धमकी दी थी. So it was very bad. The whole set was very.
Which set was this?
Apolina.
अपोलिना में. अच्छा. Okay, so 2 बज गए हैं. Next go, move forward. चलो.
हम कितने करे questions?
10.
10?
Yeah.
बाप रे! One rumor about you that is actually true. Well, the rumor is that that I got married, and that is true. So yeah.
Okay.
मेरे को ये-
Is there any rumor that you're dating someone?
No, I'm not dating anyone.
You're single.
I'm single and very happy.
Are you ready to mingle with in some time?
In some time, yes, I would love to. Like, I love, but not with the wrong person. So I'll be more careful. this
Already
time.
experienced.
Very bad experience. I don't wish that upon my enemies.
Okay.
Hate that. Who's one co-star who pretends to be sweet but is the biggest red flag? I drink this. I don't want to name that person.
You can tell the show name.
No.
Show name to
बहुत easy है guess करना.
So
I'm
you
not
have
saying
done
so.
2-3 shows which
No.
are very big. Apolina, Jadoo Hai Jinka, and 1-2 more. So you can tell the show names, na? What is wrong in that?
I'll
No?
rather drink. I don't want to name anyone in this.
Okay.
I'll drink the. Oh shit.
You need to drink full.
Cheers, guys.
Oh, that was a
shit.
lemon.
Yeah.
How is it? Is it like his name?
Yeah.
Which you don't want to
Lemony.
drink, but you had it.
I had to.
Next.
The aftertaste.
I said, no, you lose either taste buds or a headline. So you
it was
choose
like
to
that.
lose a taste bud.
Have you ever got feelings for someone and regretted it? Yes. 100% yes. For a few.
Okay, for a few.
Yeah.
Okay. Can you name at least 1-2?
One is my ex.
Okay. तो शादी होके regret भी हो गया.
हाँ,
दूसरा?
बहुत major. But apart from that, I don't want to name that person, but he was in one of my shows.
Co-star.
Co-star नहीं बोलेंगे, but co-actors में से कोई. And liked him, but then I was like, such an asshole.
हाँ. So wrong choice में तुम फंस जाती हो अक्सर ये
हाँ
कह
यार,
सकते हैं.
लड़के मतलब थोड़े.
You need then of course our Balaji Astro guide who can guide you to the right path.
Yes, I need that.
मजा तो आ रहा है. We can continue till 15.
मेरी पोले खुलवाओगे तो पोले खुल रही है. Shit. The one role you wish you never played. Name please. ऐसे मैंने कोई रोल किया नहीं है जो मुझे लगे कि करना ही नहीं चाहिए था. ऐसा actually कोई रोल नहीं. I'm very happy and glad that I did what I did. And I'm glad that I was a little picky sometimes, but I'm really happy. All the characters I've played, even if I would say whatever recent work also, whatever I've done, even in verticals or whatever, it's good.
It's
Touch
good.
wood. I like acting यार. मेरे को मजे आते हैं acting करने में बस. तो मुझे कुछ नहीं करना. बच गई.
Next.
Name one co-star or who gave you advice about your recent personal life drama that was actually terrible and unhelpful. Okay. A lot of them didn't even call, which I was expecting. Because regardless, आपकी बात होती हो ना हो, but
Yeah,
you
for
should
the wishes.
call. हाँ, मतलब you should just ask if I'm okay or not because it was huge and it was very sad. तो मैं तो बहुत ज़्यादा upset थी, but friends could have called, even though अब बात नहीं हुई. But terrible और unhelpful तो कोई नहीं था. Everybody was very sweet. In fact, मुझे इतना अच्छा लगा. बुरे वक्त में ना आपको समझ आता है कि
Who are the right
कौन
people? हाँ.
मुझे ऐसा लगा
That's
था जो
perfectly.
लोग लगे थे कि कॉल करेंगे पूछेंगे
वो कभी नहीं किए.
कॉल किया मतलब वो गायब हो गए लाइफ से.
ऐसे होता है.
I couldn't
जैसे
believe
एक्सपेक्ट
it.
हो रहा था वो नहीं हुआ.
And वो लोग जिनसे मेरी इतनी बात भी नहीं हुई होगी शायद, like Samiksha is one of my friends and a lot others who showed up. हे भगवान क्या राज खवाओगे? I'm good. एक ही अभी तक पीना पड़ रहा है.
Yeah.
Name one project you took strictly for money only, even though you knew the script would be off air in a few months. Verticals के लिए मुझे ऐसा ही feel होता है कि क्या ही script है कुछ की. कुछ अच्छे भी होते हैं, but a lot of times I'm like अभी let's just do it.
Like हाँ, फ्री में बैठने से अच्छा कर.
हाँ, like you're busy, you're working, which is also good for your mental health. So I like that. Otherwise सिर्फ पैसे के लिए तो कुछ नहीं. देखो कलीरे भी बहुत अच्छा था. मेरा first project था. जादू है जिनका के लिए I waited for 7 months, but the show was super hit and it was beautiful. रब से दुआ happened.
Why जादू है
magically.
जिनका second did not work out so much?
जादू तेरी नजर ना.
Yeah.
Because me and Vikram were not there.
Oh, okay.
दे दिया इसमें मैंने मसाला.
One thing you regret in your life, but still at last you say I don't regret. What was that?
12th of November.
That's the wedding day?
Yeah.
Okay, in your throughout your life, How many dates have you done till now?
I have dated 4 people. And dates पे तो वैसे गई हूँ मैं, but I'm talking about relationships. I've had
Relationship
4
dates.
relationships.
Okay.
Very serious ones only. I date to marry. I don't date to just.
तो चारों में तुम्हें एक ही पसंद है जैसे शादी भी, बाकी
नहीं,
किन का
नहीं।
क्या हुआ?
एक को करियर से प्रॉब्लम था कि मुंबई नहीं जाना, एंड आई वाज टू यंग एंड एम्बिशियस. आई वाज लाइक मैं तो जाऊंगी मुंबई, ब्रेकअप करने ओके बाय.
Okay.
Then the other one was cheating on me, and another one was a kind of, he became a saint. He was like, I don't want to marry ever, and he was like really elder to me, and I was, I don't want to marry, I can't marry. अगर मैं वो होगा तो मैं जंगलों में चला जाऊंगा, and all that bullshit he started. And I was like, why are you so possessive? Too much fights, and I was like,
Okay, the last question of Sip and Spill. How many hookups you have done?
none, no hookups. I've been in relationships, but no hookups because
In your life?
in my life,
Even if you have traveled, no hookups?
no hookups. That's very strange, but yes, because I am a demisexual. If you know that, what that means. If I'm in love, only then I can have something more. Otherwise, I'm like,
Okay, so that was a pure honestly why not answers.
thank
So
you.
now the last question for you.
ये cheating है.
Have you ever kissed on the set with the co-actor or any actor on the set?
On the set, accidentally, yes.
That's all in honestly why not Sip and Spill. But there's a next round which we are going to say.
Okay.
तेरे मेरे बीच में क्या होगा वहाँ पता चलेगा. चलो.
Let's go. Welcome to the next part, which is तेरे मेरे बीच में. और अब मैं मोहम्मद से सवाल पूछने वाली हूँ. Now, the ball is in my court.
Okay.
So Mohammed, what is the inner gossip which is happening between your inner circle? You know who your inner circle is. I'm not your inner circle.
मुझे रिसेंटली कुछ पता चला बट इनर सर्कल नहीं है बोला ना तुमने.
मैं inner circle नहीं हूँ, इसलिए inner circle की gossip.
मेरे इनर सर्कल में कुछ ब्रेकअप्स चल रहे हैं, कुछ नए रिश्ते उभर रहे हैं, रिश्ते क्या क्या ही कहला रहे हैं, बस यही चल रहा है.
Love that.
Yeah. So now it's your turn. You treated with a young fun role in Kalire as Meera and later took on to complex Urdu speaking role in Rab Se Hai Dua.
Yes.
Which character required more emotional homework and why?
So Kalire was my first, so I had no idea about acting, and I was a baby. I didn't know properly camera acting. I was doing YouTube videos and music videos, पर मुझे कैमरा के लिए कैसे इमोशन लाना है स्क्रीन पे वो नहीं आता था, तो दैट वाज मोर डिफिकल्ट फॉर मी. बाय रब से है दुआ, बाय द टाइम आई डिड रब से है दुआ, आई हैड ऑलरेडी डन ये जादू है जिनका, जिसमें थोड़ी बहुत उर्दू थी, और रब से है दुआ के लिए अलग से होमवर्क करना पड़ता था क्योंकि हमारे जो राइटर थे, आई थिंक हिज नेम वाज जहीर, ही वुड राइट सच डिफिकल्ट वर्ड्स एंड सच डिफिकल्ट
It's a difficult language.
1.5 page long monologues and so many Urdu words, so it was very difficult. दोनों difficult थे, but level up होता गया kind of.
Okay.
First ज़्यादा difficult था.
Okay. You were shortlisted for film but never called back after they found out about your TV background. If you would send one message to the director today, what would it be?
Oh, well, that is true. I would just say an actor is an actor and you should see their performance, not what they have done before. Like, you can see what they've done before, but not judge on the basis कि इसने सिर्फ TV किया है या ये content creator है या ये social media पे ज़्यादा famous है. All those things, rather just see if the character is fitting the role or not. Like, if I'm able to perform well, तो फिर वो role देने में क्या बुराई.
Okay. Web debut in Crash was praised. Did you actively seek out a web project to prove you could play roles different from all the other characters she has played on TV?
Yes, absolutely. I loved Crash and I always wanted to prove myself that I'm not just someone who can do Saas Bahu shows or just a simple daily show. In Crash, I was again a teenager going to the college, very simple girl with a lot of problems, which was a very different character, and I think I pulled it off well. So
Crash के बाद कुछ किया और?
क्रैश के बाद कोई वेब आते हैं, बट उससे पहले मेरे को शो मिल जाता था. So
During the emotional turmoil you faced on the Apollina set, name one specific friend or colleague on set who saw your breakdowns and provided the most unwavering support.
there were 3 people. Samarthya, and Sanket Bhaiya and Anjita. These three were there constantly. I was having panic attacks on the set. I was literally about to faint. I was crying. There was so much of drama in my life, and I would still perform, smile and everything. But these three people would always be there. Thank you guys
Okay.
for always supporting me and loving me.
Okay. Of all the accusations that went public, cheating, family scuffle, settlement demands, which one genuinely hurt you the most on a personal level?
All of them, but the most cheating, because when I was in a relationship with him, I was very, very, very loyal, and I think I've done everything for him. But then,
What is the one line you want to prescribe? Breakup हुआ ही क्यों?
एक लाइन में बहुत डिफिकल्ट है बताना.
4 लाइन में बता दो.
I think his insecurity is one.
Okay.
Misbehavior, like the whole disrespect, and not understanding me at all. And मेरी तरफ से I would also say that I also became with time very लड़ के आप
Strong
चिड़चिड़े हो
person.
जाते हो आप. नहीं, I became चिड़चिड़ी. I was like, हाँ तो नहीं ना, ठीक है ना, let's just part ways.
In 1 month.
No, in 2 months.
2
1.5,
months.
2 months. But it was just piling up. So कभी तो
Okay.
फटना था, volcano.
Did you play a woman card, like saying, because whatever I have heard till now, like you always say we women. Did you play a woman card in your relationship?
No.
Never.
I was the man of the house, technically. I was doing everything for real, like whatever they've claimed as a separate thing. Like, but I think I was the man of the house more than anyone else. So not a woman card. I was very strong, independent, and always like helping, supporting the dreams, supporting the craziest stuff, I would say. So I was never that woman card.
Let's move on to the rapid
Yes.
fire round.
And let's eat.
Okay. Who is the most toxic co-star you worked with who always insisted on their own script changes?
I won't call it toxic. You call it toxic.
Yeah.
I think Karan was someone who would tweak and change the script. Karanveer Sharma. It was difficult for me.
Yeah, he has done great work now. But I have different options for you. Arjit Taneja in Kalire, Vikram Singh Chauhan and Karanveer Sharma.
इसमें क्या?
ये वही सेम क्वेश्चन है.
भाई,
अपार्ट फ्रॉम करणवीर शर्मा, अरिजीत एंड विक्रम में से.
Vikram is definitely not toxic. He's wonderful, wonderful actor. I love his performance. He's such a beautiful friend.
अरिजीत.
सब अर्जित ऑप्शन ही बचा है. बट अर्जित ने ऐसे चेंजेस नहीं किए. इनफैक्ट ही रियली हेल्प्ड मी आउट. आई वाज सो न्यू. वो मेरे को ऐसे प्रॉम्प्ट करता था, ऐसे मुंह दबा के ना, ये लाइन है तेरी. गुस्सा भी होता था, बट ही वुड लिटरली हेल्प मी आउट अ लॉट.
Okay. Who was the last person you blocked on social media?
I don't block people.
You have never blocked?
Not really. I just block someone if they're very offensive.
So
but random
whom
people.
you have blocked?
Random people, very random people.
Okay, I'll give you some options. Abhineet Kaushik, production house, any co-star, whom you want to block it?
I had already blocked Abhineet earlier, and he has blocked me.
Yeah, then why didn't you tell this?
मतलब पुरानी बात हो गई. It's 2026, baby.
Okay, the real reason your marriage was kept secret was options are career taboo, fear of failure, family pressure.
Career.
Career. That's the reason it got break.
No. You said what? Sorry.
The real reason your marriage was kept secret
It was kept secret for my career.
for your career.
Yeah.
Who is the
That's it.
biggest gossip on the set of Apollina?
Okay.
Samarthya Gupta or Sandeep Baswana?
Amongst these two, I would be the one because none of them gossip. Sandeep sir is also beautiful, wonderful human. He doesn't gossip. He's very ज्ञान वाले इंसान. उनके साथ बैठ जाओ, इतना ज्ञान मिलता है ना. It's beautiful. And Samarthya also is very sweet. He doesn't gossip. उसके वैसे है क्या अभी बताने के लिए.
Okay. If you had a kiss among 4, whom do you want to kiss? Arjit, Vikram, Karanveer, Samarthya.
Oh God. Why are you asking me this? None of them.
So you don't want to kiss any of them?
No.
So you're not.
Really?
Okay, so now there is like marry, date, and hookup.
Okay.
Same goes to you.
The same question is for you also now.
Okay, first you answer, then I'm gonna answer.
Okay.
मैरी अर्जित, विक्रम और करणवीर और समर्थ्य. मैरी, हुकअप एंड डेट एंड किल. कम ऑन.
आई नो दिस. अर्जित ने क्या आंसर दिया था, इसलिए मैं हुकअप विद अर्जित.
ओके.
Marry. Oh God, this is gonna be so difficult. Vikram is already married.
So you can kill him.
No, I don't want to kill him.
Then you want to be his second wife.
No. और क्या ऑप्शन है?
Marry, kill.
Hookup हो गया.
हाँ, हुकअप तो हो गया. अर्जित के साथ कर लिया तुमने.
कर लिया, नहीं करा नहीं है. In the game, guys, in the game. I'm just saying, mentioning it. लोग थोड़े emotional हो जाते हैं.
It's a hypothetical question.
Yeah, hypothetical question,
Yeah.
hypothetical answer.
Yeah.
Clearly.
So Arjit is hypothetically doing a hookup with you.
Okay.
So now it's like
Kill.
marry, kill, and date.
Date Vikram.
Date Vikram, okay. Kill Karanveer
Kill Karanveer.
and marry Samarthya.
I don't know. I'm not saying that. You are saying that. You are saying. He's saying that.
You killed Karanveer. You dated Vikram. You hooked up with Arjit, and who is remaining then? So you married Samarthya basically.
Married?
Yeah.
Married?
मतलब hypothetically.
God. Okay. वो बेचारा. Yeah.
So one of the weirdest thing any director or co-star has done on set with you, which you never liked it.
Yes. There was this director who abused me in front of like 150 people. I was so horrible.
Which set?
अब डायरेक्टर तो पता चल जाएगा ना फिर.
तो सेट कौन सा है? डायरेक्टर तो एक सेट में तो it's never been like one director. There are 4-5 directors in every set.
Let's not get into that. But one of the very good shows, the director was so awful. He abused me for nothing. I was not even there. मेरा तो पैकअप हो गया था, मुझे तो घर जाना था. And he abused माँ बहन की गालियाँ नहीं, क्या क्या नहीं. And I was on
But
a
for
call
what?
to creator for nothing. उसको so basically staff ने जो जैसे production के लोग होते हैं छोटे छोटे, उन लोगों ने बोला कि हीरोइन बहुत परेशान कर रही है, वो कपड़े नहीं पहनती है टाइम पे, आती नहीं है सेट पे. और ऐसा कभी हुआ ही नहीं. तो हमारे 2 यूनिट्स चल रहे थे व्हेन आई वाज शूटिंग सेपरेटली. और वो शो का इनिशियल था, बिगिनिंग था. तो सबको लगा था जो दूसरी लड़की कास्ट हुई है अगेंस्ट द हीरो, वो हीरोइन है. तो वो ड्रामे कर रही थी. और मेरे डायरेक्टर को लगा कि मैं ड्रामे कर रही हूँ, बिकॉज एक्चुअली आई वाज द हीरोइन ऑफ द शो. तो इस कन्फ्यूजन में उसने मुझे इतनी गंदी गालियाँ सुनाई. एंड आई क्राइड एंड हाउल्ड, बिकॉज मेरे ऊपर कभी किसी ने ऐसे नहीं चिल्लाया था तब तक. और मेरे को तेज आवाज से yeah, I left the set. I called the producers. No, I didn't leave the set. I went on the set and I confronted him कि what is wrong? Why would you do that? Why would you say that in front of everyone? But I was crying, so it didn't come out as strong as I planned it to be. But yeah.
Did you leave the show?
No.
No,
I didn't
you
leave the show.
continued.
The director kind of was not shooting with us after that. After a while, the assistants and associates were shooting. He didn't come much.
One influencer name जिसके रील तुम्हें कभी देखना अच्छे नहीं लगते. You will be like ये क्या ही बनाता रहता है या बनाती रहती है, तो एकदम बेकार काम है.
मैंने देख लिया.
Like whose reels you don't prefer to be like, you will be just like.
It's called Deepika or something. I don't know her name properly. जो मतलब अब तो एल्डर रोल कर रही हैं वो माँ के या किसी उसके. बट वो इंस्टाग्राम पे बहुत फनी डांस वीडियोस डालते, कुछ तो ऐसा करती हैं.
Deepika.
I think Deepika is her name. I'm not sure.
She has done earlier shows.
Yeah. She's
Lead.
very famous apparently.
Deepika.
I don't know her name much, but वो मेरे
दिया और बाती हम. दीपिका सिंह.
शायद वो बहुत क्रेजी रील्स डालते हैं और उनका डांस मतलब वैसे वो बड़े अच्छे डांसर है अपेरेंटली, बट रील्स में उन कुछ तो कर देते हैं.
चलो ठीक है. Who do you think is not a fit actor?
A lot of them.
The last question for tonight.
ये लड़का खाना नहीं खाने देगा.
किस एक्टर को फालतू में पब्लिसिटी मिलती है?
फालतू में पब्लिसिटी मिलती है.
हाँ. उर्फी. मतलब बिना कुछ करे तुझे लगता है कि फालतू में
वो
पब्लिसिटी
मेहनत तो करती है.
मेहनत करती है, देन फालतू नहीं हुआ ना. शी डिजाइन्स हर आउटफिट्स, तो उस बेसिस पे बहुत मेहनत करती है.
बहुत अच्छी लड़की है.
हाँ, शी इज गुड.
पर्सनली नहीं जानती.
तो हु इज द वन पर्सन एक्टर जो फालतू में मतलब अपने आप को ही इतना ज्यादा दिखाना है, पब्लिसिटी स्टंट करना? हु इज दिस? अपने आप को बड़ा दिखाना.
अभी ना मैंने रिसेंटली एक रील देखी थी, ज़रीन खान ने उन्हीं का नाम लिया था जो बिना उसके घूमती है, PR कराते हैं. एक्टर है वो शायद,
क्या नाम है?
कशिश नहीं, कशिश नहीं है,
खुशी.
खुशी. एक्टर है. क्या करती है? उसको मैं कह देती हूँ भाई, मैं उसको जानती नहीं हूँ, उसका नाम ले रही हूँ. नाम ले लिया मेरे भाई,
अच्छा.
ले लिया नाम. What's her name? So because I don't know her and I think it's, I don't know, I don't like that. Too much. For me, too much. I just feel it could have been avoided, but publicity के लिए.
Whom do you think is the most entertaining actor
Last
who have come
question.
across?
Entertaining. Samarth is very entertaining, honestly. He's very creative, full time, kuch. He's added, so he's very entertaining. Vikram is also very entertaining. Then Alka Badola, she's also very entertaining.
Okay,
Kanika भी बहुत
if you want to
entertaining है.
cast one of the male guys between Abhishek Kumar and Samarth Juriyal, whom would you cast and why?
हाँ, दोनों बहुत sweet है. I'll cast Samarth Juriyal क्योंकि उसकी आंखें बड़ी अच्छी हैं. And also he's kind of very sweet. In person काफी sweet है, तो मुझे वो अच्छा लगता है. अभिषेक को भी जानती हूँ, वो भी sweet है, but
समझ ज़्यादा स्वीट है.
ज़्यादा sweet है, अच्छा है.
कौन लगता है किसको धोखा दिया है, सामर्थ ने अभिषेक को या ईशा ने, दोनों को?
यार ईशा,
The close-up of tonight.
यार आई थिंक कि ईशा को भी धोखा मिला है. और क्योंकि
किससे?
मैंने कहानी सुनी है प्रॉपर,
किससे?
जो रियल कहानी है, जो उसने मुझे बताई कि क्या हुआ क्या नहीं हुआ, किस सिचुएशन में वो फंसी हुई थी. आई एम सो ग्लैड वो जल्दी बाहर आ गई उस सब से, बिकॉज द काइंड ऑफ ड्रामा आई हैव हर्ड फ्रॉम हर, आई जस्ट फील कि बच गई बेचारी बच्ची हमारी. एंड दोनों से धोखा मिला उसको भी. आई एम ईशा साइड.
कहीं दोनों साथ में रह के तो नहीं दिया धोखा?
क्या पता, अब इंटरनल कहानी मुझे क्या पता, बट जितना ईशा ने बताया मैं तो उस पर यकीन करती हूँ, क्योंकि ईशा ने मुझे बताया. कभी अभिषेक बताएगा, समर्थ बताएगा, तो मैं उन पर भरोसा कर लूँगी. तब मैं फिगर आउट करूँगी ये तीनों में से सच्चा कौन है.
So it was so nice having you here.
Same
It was so fun. We had a good time. हो सकता है कुछ हेडलाइंस बने, बट तुमने दिया नहीं दिया ये तुम्हें पता है.
दिया मसाला तो दिया.
See, that's the reason you're actress. मसाला जहाँ पे नहीं दोगी वहाँ पे एक्ट्रेस नहीं बन पाओगी. मसाले दोगी तभी सस्टेन कर पाओगी. But it was very nice masala what you have given.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for being here.
Backlash ना आए, but हाँ.
नहीं आएगा, because honestly you were in our show,
Yes.
which is called Honestly Why Not. You were so honest, so there shouldn't be any backlash for you. So for you we have curated a sweet hamper because you have won a rapid fire round. So for that reason, can we have the hamper? This is a very heavy hamper for your heavy rapid fire round जो तुमने
Thank
आंसर
you.
दिया
It is
है.
very heavy.
कई और राज भी बाकी है, खोलेंगे बहुत
कैमरा
आगे
के
आगे.
पीछे.
हाँ.
Thank you.
And so it was nice having you.
Same
It was
here.
so
It was
fun,
so much
and
fun.
it was amazing. And what you said you don't know, we will get to know each other very soon.
Yes.
And it will be so fun. Thank you so
Thank
much for being
you,
part of
Magnus.
Honestly Why Not.
Thank you for
So
having me.
always be with us.
Yes.
Thank you.
Always. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye guys.